Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel this action won't work on multiple selections error. This error appears when trying to cut or copy the selected cells or groups of ranges. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel this action won't work on multiple selections error using 6 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome Excel this action won't work on multiple selections error. Solution 2. Using the clipboard. If you cannot make multiple selections directly in Excel, you can use the clipboard option to paste your data on a sheet. For this, go to Home tab, click Clipboard. Then, select the information from the chosen columns and rows. In case, if the rows and columns aren't intersecting, then you can repeat the accomplishment to add all the data to a clipboard. After this, go to a sheet where you need to paste all the values. Simply click on Paste All option to paste them on a sheet. Solution 3. Ungroup the sheets. The next solution is to ungroup the sheets. For this, right-click a Sheet tab, and click Select All Sheets on the Excel workbook. Now right-click any sheet tab, and choose Ungroup Sheets. Solution 4. Make selections properly. Since you are unable to cut, copy or paste the selected cells or groups of ranges due to the Excel this action won't work error, it is essential to make selections correctly. To do so, select the data that you need to copy on another Excel sheet. Copy them by pressing Ctrl. Then, go to the sheet where you want to paste the data. Right-click there and select the Paste Special. After that, choose All in order to paste values with the formulas. Now, confirm the selection by clicking on OK. Solution 5. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in Excel tool that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel workbook and solve this error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 6. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel this action won't work on multiple selections error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel this action won't work on multiple selections error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.